Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate cocoa powder full guide. Combine 1 cup unsweetened cocoa, 2 cups powdered sugar, and 1 cup powdered milk in a large bowl, then sift together to remove lumps. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch for creaminess and a pinch of salt to brighten flavor. Mix in 1 teaspoon vanilla powder or 1 packet instant espresso for depth, then store in an airtight container. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate cocoa powder full guide. Gather your tools: a fine mesh sieve, a whisk, measuring cups, and an airtight jar. Weigh or measure cocoa, powdered sugar, and powdered milk carefully for predictable sweetness and creaminess. Sift ingredients into a bowl, whisk thoroughly, and test a small pinch with hot water to adjust sweetness or richness before storing the final blend. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate cocoa powder full guide. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the product shown here is great for reading recipes anywhere, so you can follow steps hands-free while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want one for your kitchen, now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate cocoa powder full guide. Heat 8 ounces of milk or water until steaming but not boiling, then add 2 tablespoons of your cocoa mix and whisk until fully dissolved. Adjust to taste with more mix for richness or a splash of cream for silkiness. For a frothy top, whisk vigorously or use a handheld frother, then garnish with marshmallows or grated chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.